Today, I would like to show you how to file financial statements to KRS. Firstly, you need to go on the specific website and click on the Free Financial Document Reporting option. Then, you need to log in into your account, and if you currently don't have one, you need to go on S24 website, which looks like this. And if you scroll all the way down, there will be an option to create one. I will of course proceed further as I have already got an account created, so click login and then we enter our personal data. After logging in, you will see this warning that says submission of financial documents requires qualified signature or a signature confirmed by the trusted profile. If the submission will be signed using qualified signature, there is a requirement to install a specific program. If you haven't already installed it, there is a blue box that says download. Next step is to click on the preparation and filling of reports. Then you go on, add a report, and type in your company's KRS number. Then we check the accuracy of our data and click next. We go on the report working name, for example, Financial Statement 2022. Then we select the date range, which is of course our fiscal year. In our case, it will be starting from the 1st of January 2022 until the end of December 2022. Then choose the type of reporting, and here we've got two options: filling of financial statements and other financial documents, and filling of financial statements of group corporates and other documents. In our case, it will be the first option and we click Add Document. Then we fill out the date of preparation of the document. This date is really important and you need to pay attention to the document that the date of preparation of documents is not the date of filling the report and is not the date of adding file to the report, because the date of preparation of the document is the date when we generated the document in the software. So in my case, it will be the current date. However, please remember that if financial statement has been generated, let's say a few days earlier, here we need to type in the date of generated document rather than the date we report our statement to the KRS. Then we select the type of document. Here we have a drop-down list of documents we can choose, such as opinion of chartered auditor or payment to public administration. These bottom ones are rather optional. We will file two documents. First one is an annual financial statement and one from down the list, because filling all of them would be time consuming. Therefore, we click on an annual financial statement. If we are filling our statement in accordance with the MSR, we press this option. Then we choose the language of the document and an option to attach the document, in our case of course in XML file format. If the file contains separate signature, we attach another file. In our case, it is in XML file format. Then we press save. If we filled all our information correctly, an annual financial statement will show up on our document list. And then we will add another document. The same pop-up will appear where we can attach another document, such as the resolution on the distribution of profit. Attach file and press save. Second file has been added correctly. Any other files that you are required to submit should show up on the list. In the next step, we click Next The first step is in which we must declare if we would like to attach an additional document to our financial statements. In our case, we don't select it. We press Next, proceed on to the fourth step, which is last step to file a financial statement. Firstly, click Save, and if we scroll up the page, we will receive information that if the filing will not be submitted, it will be removed from the system after 14 days. Now we click Verify the submission, and we get the error message that we haven't added the resolution of approval of financial statement, but what it means is that our submission will be verified in terms of the completeness of filed documents. We shall now start to sign and file our submission. In this box there will be an option to add a signature. However, there are two ways to add a signature. It can either be a signature of a person filling and completing a submission by trusted profile, where we send our submission to repository of financial documents, or second option is to get an accountant to use his private KRS and prepare submission. And next, in the signature option, forward email address to the authorized person. The email must, of course, be assigned to KRS account. After that, the person authorized to sign and file the financial statement will see it prepared and will only have to submit it. Lastly, I will show you where you can find that report that has been handed over to us to sign. If you return to the main page, you will see this option, Signing Reports, made available for signature, and your financial statement should show up here. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.